Voibe is a really fast dictation app for Mac. It just sits in your status bar, waiting for you to talk. Whenever you want to type, just hold the function key, speak naturally, and release. It just types straight into the app you are on. Let me show you what I mean. I'm designing a homepage update and I want to add an intro video section. Let's try this with Voibe. This is my homepage and I want to add a new section for an intro video. This section should be right after my first section and should have a title, one-line description, and a section for video. I will add the video link from S3 later. Follow the styling and design conventions of this app. Don't modify anything besides the scope of this. That took me less than 15 seconds and it works everywhere you already work.